Hello, fabulous fifth graders. I'm just going to do some demonstrations on how to draw different kinds of gems. We're going to start with a diamond shape. If you have a ruler, you're more than welcome to get one. You can also use like a pencil box, a crayon box, or another piece of paper to use as a straight edge. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to start by drawing a diamond shape. There's many different shapes that we can make. So I'm going to draw the angle. So I'm going to start with the top. Kind of the start of a trapezoid. So if I connected it here, which I'm going to do, we'll have the start of a trapezoid. Next, what I am going to do is I'm going to make some triangles in this. I'm going to estimate. You can freehand this too if you'd like. If you don't have a straight edge, there is nothing wrong with that. I'm just going to freehand this part. Okay, so now I have the top of it. Kind of looks like a bridge. And then the bottom, you're going to try to even it out with the bottom point of the one in the middle. I put a little dot there so I can mark it. And then just draw a nice straight line. And then I'm going to use that dot again to connect all the way to this point. The last step to finish off our diamond is you're going to go ahead and connect the points of the triangle all the way to the bottom. So now you have a diamond shape and design just in lines. I would recommend that you take something like a Sharpie or a marker or a pen. All of these are great to use to trace your lines, and then you can start shading them. So I'm going to use colored pencils. You can use crayons or just a regular pencil to shade this. I'm going to add a little bit of color here. We'll use a nice blue. So once you've traced your lines, you're just going to shade the outside of each of the shapes. So it's going to be like a dark or a medium value on the outside, and then as you go in you can shade it light so it gives it a little bit of texture and depth and detail. You're going to do that with every single one. Shade the outside. And fill it in. So you'll start to get this effect to make it look like a diamond. And once you're all finished, you will have a beautiful diamond shape. Another way that you can create a gem is you pick any shape that you want for your center. I'm just going to draw it at the bottom over here, so I'm going to flip this up. Okay, so create any shape. So I'll start with a hexagon. The hexagon go like this. What you're going to do then is you're going to draw another hexagon a little bit bigger on the outside. Okay, so once you have it on the outside, you're going to meet the points of each hexagon together. See how I did that? The top and the bottom, well, the outside and the middle, you're going to meet together. I'm going to do that to each side. You can do this with any shape that has sides. So a square, you could do it with a diamond, you could do it with any shape hexagon, pentagon, octagon, heptagon, any of those. And you're going to do the exact same thing I did here, so I'll pick a different color. We'll make this one like a ruby or something. We're going to go ahead and shade the outside dark. Obviously, I would trace this with some nice Sharpie so it looks really crisp. Shade the outside a really nice dark, and then the inside will be like a light and you can blend it out so it looks like it's having the effect of creating a gemstone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below on the project for this assignment. And once you finish, if you have the chance, you can upload it. I left directions attached. If you have a phone or a tablet, or use your mom's phone, to take a picture and have them have documents, download documents on their smartphone, and then they should be able to upload the image so I can see it. I look forward to seeing these guys.